for all the girls with red hair. Are there any girls with red hair? So then this song is, you have red hair, I see it. We need natural red hair. You're standing on your hands, right?